I am just so gorgeous on this camera. It gets my every look.
If there was something in the box.
Not this time.
There is.
No.
A pen.
Oh, well, besides that.
I see we're lucky because we're flying anyway. Wait, was she talking about Riley or Crystal? Were you talking about Riley or Crystal?
That's for the baby.
Oh, okay.
You can do this for he's gonna set the table, but for the baby, I don't want to do it.
What a bad idea to put it at the top.
They don't put it inside anymore.
Like they don't bury it.
Kids would open the whole box and put their hand through the
I never did.
Excuse me, but you could just literally pop the top and take it.
Yeah.
They're not even hidden at the bottom
No, but
anymore.
in the days, it used to be inside the cereal.
Like in the actual package.
Yeah, Obi-Wan or Han? I couldn't really see the face. Is there a mustache or not?
No mustache.
Then it's Han.
Han.
Isn't it Han Solo?
Nope.
The white guy, right?
Han Solo never carried a lightsaber.
That's supposed to be Luke? When he was younger? No, maybe, because there's niece.
Oh.
Am I missing something? Am I missing? Is that what the joke was? No, oh, like, wait. There's no rainbow. There's no marshmallows.
They forgot to give you them?
I forgot the marshmallows.
Well, that's odd.
It is, isn't it? I wonder if it's magic sealed back up.
Oh, who did that?
Oh, how did that happen? I knew I shouldn't have taken another Christmas gift from you.